Welcome back to my channel. This is EngineerElah, and for today, I will be unboxing a new calculator from Casio Fx-570Es Plus 2nd edition in pink and blue color. So thank you so much po Casio and at 𝘕𝘠𝘠𝘠 for giving this very special calculators. Without further ado, let's start. As I have said, pinadala to sa akin ng 𝘕𝘠𝘠𝘠𝘠. Isa sa mga trademark nila is yung Casio leather case nila. So kapag sa kanila kayo bumili, automatic na bawat order nyo, merong kasamang leather case which is matching dun sa kulay ng calculators. Hindi magagasgas yung calculator nyo kapag ito kayo bumili. Kasi nga merong leather case. So meron siyang velcro dito para ma-close and open nyo siya. So, yan guys, ang ganda. So, ngayon, tignan naman natin yung calculator mismo. So, as you can see, bubble wrap siya. Very secure ang packaging. Let's open. Ayan siya guys. So, ito na yung mga calculators natin. Grabe, sobrang ganda kahit nasa box pa lang siya. So, ayan. Ito yung packaging niya. Fx-570Es Plus 2nd edition. Natural VPAM, natural textbook display. So, it has 417 functions. So, as you can see guys, pag titingin kayo dito sa packaging niya, may makikita kayo na check the authenticity and then merong QR code. Itong QR code na to, kapag in-scan nyo siya, makikita nyo kung authentic yung product kasi magre-redirect siya sa website saan makikita nyo yung check mark that indicates the authenticity of the product. Kasi guys, sa panahon natin ngayon, sobrang dami nang nagbebenta ng mga fake calculators, no? So, ingat tayo. Let's be wary of those unauthentic calculators. Of course, yung quality, yung hinahanap natin sa isang calculator. Ayaw naman natin ng calculator na madaling masira, no? So, sure tayo na original yung ating nabili. Kasi nga, mayroong authenticity check dito. So, una nating i-open yung pink. Kasama din dito yung user guide or startup guide ng ating calculator. Iba-ibang language siya, but of course, we have yung English. Everything that you need to operate this calculator is here. So, ito na yung calculator. Tada! So, meron ditong mga scientific constants, yung mga unit conversions, and yung other ways to initialize the calculator. So, everything's complete. Sobrang ganda ng calculator na to. Matte finish siya guys. And yung mga buttons niya, pink din. And as you can see, white yung sulat dito, which is very nice. And sobrang nag-complement talaga yung mga colors. Grabe, sobrang ganda nito guys. Sobrang aesthetic talaga niya. Try natin, i-on. Wow, sobrang lambot niya guys. Calculate tayo ng basic operation, 2 plus 2. Ayan, so tama naman guys yung ina-output niya. So of course, meron tayong iba't ibang function dito. This calculator has 417 functions, so sobrang dami niya. Let's unbox color blue. So again guys, merong user guide, and also we have the warranty card. Warranty period 1 year, labor and parts. So very nice. So if ever na merong defects kayong mapansin, you can have it fixed using the warranty. So this is the calculator. Meron din siyang mga constants, unit conversions, and other operations. Sobrang nakaka-inlove tong calculator na to guys. Sobrang ganda niya, sobrang aesthetic din niya, and nag-blend din yung mga colors ng mga letters natin dito. Sobrang ganda, as you can see. And let's try to turn it on. Yan, sobrang lambot din ng keys niya guys. So comfortable niya sa kamay gamitin. It has a natural textbook display. Ayan, so very nice. This calculator is very nice. That's it for today. Hindi na ako masyado mag-detail about the calculator kasi nakagawa na rin ako ng vlog about it, so you can just watch it here. So, final words na lang about this calculator. Ang rating ko dito, 10 out of 10. So, grabe, sobrang ganda niya, and I'm sure na magugustuhan nyo siya kung bibili kayo. It's useful for high school students, for college students, sa mga engineering dyan, and of course, pwede to sa board exam because this is a non-programmable calculator. So, ayan, Fx-570Es Plus 2nd edition. Sobrang ganda nito guys. I think kung estudyante pa lang ako, mas gaganahan ako mag-aral pag ito yung ginamit ko. I highly recommend that you try this one. Bibili nyo siya sa EngineerElah for 998 pesos. Meron silang Shopee and Lazada account. Actually, mabibili nyo rin to sa page ko. So, meron akong link na nakalagay doon. And, mariredirect kayo sa order page, and yung EngineerElah yung mag-fulfill ng order nyo. So, thank you so much guys for watching. This is EngineerElah, and I hope that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga uploads ko. Follow me on my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram account at EngineerElah. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it guys. See you on my next video. Bye!